Okay, we will start with the second group. Okay, here we have a square root of 63 plus 60. So how can we solve it? First, we will add all under the square root. So 63 plus 60, which equals 123. Okay, we can't get um, the the square root of 123, so we will choose the number which has square root which is near to 123. What is the number which is near to 123? Which is 121. Okay, we suppose that we know all the square roots of the numbers, like the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of uh, 16 is 8, okay, and so on. Okay, so what's the square root of 121, which is 11? So it's the nearest answer to 123. So the answer will be 11. Next one, we have here subtracting of fractions. How can we do it? We can't subtract without making the roots, the denominators the same. So here we have 15, here we have 15, so they are okay, but here we have 7.5, so we should make it the same denominator, which is 15. How can we do it? 7.5 we can convert it to 15 by doubling, so we will times here by 2 and times here by 2. Okay, and then complete the problem the same, 1 over 15 and 48 over 15. When we doubling, 7.5 times 2 it will be 15, and 24.5 times 2 it will be the doubling of 24 is 48. Okay, how can we double 48? And the doubling of 5 is 1, so total of them will be 49. Minus, and then complete the problem, minus 1 over 15 minus 48 over 15. Okay, and then get the answer. Now we can subtract. 49 minus 1 it will be 48. 48 minus 48 it will be 0, and we know that 0 over any number it will be what? It will be 0, so the answer will be 0, so we will choose 0 answer. The next problem, we have here equations. Okay, the equation which we have, four x squared plus 2y equals 8, and we have information that 2x squared equals y. He said that. Okay, so the value of y equals to 2x squared, so we can replace y by 2x squared. Okay, we will replace only y and then complete the problem the same, which is 2 here plus 4x squared. We will put all the numbers the same. Okay, equals, all of them equals 8, and then solve it and then get the value of x. 4x squared here, completing 2 times 2, which is 4. 4x squared equals 8, so we can solve this one with this one, which is 8x squared equals 8. So x squared equals 1, because we will divide by 8. Okay, so x equals 1. Okay, now he wants y. Okay, be care, he wants y or x? He wants y. Okay, so how can we get y? Y equals 2x squared, so 2 times 1 squared, which is 2, so the answer will be 2. Next problem, it's very easy. Okay, we have two fractions which they are equal to each other, so how can we get x? And we need the value of x. When we have two fractions and between them we have equals, okay, so we will times it, cross multiplication. How? 1 over 7 plus x equals 1 over 3x plus 1. So we will cross multiplication by this method. Okay, so 1 times this part, it will be 7 plus x, and 1 times this part, it will be 3x plus 1, the same. Okay, now we will solve x's with each other, okay, and the numbers with each other. So we will take x here with 3x, so it will be 3x, and take x with different sign, and here it's positive, so it will be negative x, and in the other side we have 7, and take 1 to the other side with opposite sign, so it will be negative 1. So 7 minus 1, it will be 6, and here 3x minus x equals 2x, so we can now get x by dividing by 2, so x equals 3. So the value of x is 3. Next problems, we have equations. Okay, how can we solve the equation? We have here x squared minus y squared, which we can break it into two brackets, which is x minus y and x plus y. Okay, you should know that. Okay, we have the value of x minus y squared, x squared minus y squared, which is 20. He said that. Okay, and we have the value of x minus y, which is 10, and we have here equals, and now we have here x plus y. So now we can get the value of x plus y by dividing in both sides by 10. So x plus y equals 10. Okay, how can we get x? He needs x. Sometimes in some problems he said that he wants x plus y, so we get it, which is 10. Sometimes, like this problem, he needs only x. So how can we get it? We will say x plus y plus the other one, which is x minus y. Okay, so x plus y plus x minus y. X plus y equals what? We got it, which is 10, plus x minus y, which is what? Which is 10. Sorry, we will back here. The division, 20 over 10 is 2. Okay, 20 over 10 is 2. Okay, so we will add them, which is x plus y plus x minus y. Okay, x plus y, we have it, which is 2, which we got it, and x minus y, which is 10, we have it in the problem, which is 10. Okay, so if we add them, positive y will go with negative y, so here we have 2x equals 12. So x, we can get it by divide by 2 in both places or both sides, so x equals 6. Okay, the next problem, that 1 over 3 multiplied by a number, then multiplied by 3 over 4 gives 9. Find that number. Okay, so we will suppose that the number is x. Okay, 1 over 3 multiplied by a number, we will translate it. Okay, then multiplied by, then we multiplied it again by 3 over 4 gives me 9. So how can we get x? Okay, so we will time them all. So 3 will go with 3 because it's one up and one down, denominator and numerator, so they can go with each other, cancel each other in multiplication. Okay, and here we have x over 4 equals 9, so x cross multiplication, x equals 4 times 9, which it will be 36. Okay, the next one, we have here fraction. Okay, and we have square roots in the up and square roots in the down. Okay, It's very easy because we have the same square roots up and down, okay? So we will take square roots as the common factor or common number. When I take it from here, the remaining will be 2 power by 3, and when I take it from here, the remaining will be 2 power by 2 over 5 powering by 3. 5, sorry, multiplying by square root of 3. So now we can cancel square root from up with the square root from down, and the remaining will be 2 powering by 3 plus 2 powering by 5 over 5. Okay, so now we have two methods. We can get 2 power by 3 and get 2 power by 5 and then do division. But we have another way which is very easy, that we will take a common factor from here by the common number between them, which is 2 power by 3. If we take here 2 power by 3, the remaining is 1. If we take here from here 2 power by 3, the remaining will be 2 power by 2 over 5. Okay, now we have 2 power by 3 times 2 powering by 2 is 4 plus 1, so times 5 over 5. Now we can cancel 5 with 5, so the answer will be 2 powering by 3, which is 8. So the answer will be 8. Okay, here we have a normal equation, okay, which we can solve it, which is 2x plus 2 equals negative x plus 2. Okay, it's very easy. We will solve x's with each other. Okay, so we will take here negative x to the other side, and we will solve numbers with each other. So the answer will be 2x plus x equals 2 minus 2. 2x plus x, which is 3x, and 2 minus 2, it will be 0. So x, to get x, we will divide by 3 here and here. So x equals 0 over any number equals 0. So the answer will be 0. Okay, in this problem, okay, we should know that x minus y equals 5, xy equals 15, and he wants x squared plus y squared. In these problems, okay, in these problems we should do it in brackets, okay? So how can we convert this one to this one to get it? X minus y, if I square it, okay, if I square it, which is like x minus y times x minus y again, okay, so it's meaning that we will do it like x times x and negative y times negative y and negative y times x and x times negative y. Okay, so the answer will be x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Okay, all of them equals x minus 5 squared, sorry, minus y squared. Okay, so he wants x plus y squared, so we will put it the same because he wants it and we don't have it, okay? But we have xy is 15, so here 2 times 15, it will be 30, and here x minus y, we have it, which is 5, squaring it, it will be 25. So x squared plus y squared equals, we will solve the numbers with each other, so we will take negative 30 to the other side, so it will be 25 plus 30. So x squared plus y squared equals 25 plus 30, it will be 55. So the answer will be 55.